Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm excited to show you the new DataLocker DL4 FE. It has FIPS 140-2 level 3 encryption on this SSD device. This is hooked up to a power module to show you the screen. I haven't created a password yet, so that's as far as we're going to go, because once it's encrypted with a password, you can open it. It also has features such as no data drivers to install. So this just works right out of the gate, has USB Type-C plug-in here. It also has a Kensington lock module on the bottom. It has silent kill, brute force password protection, and it's fully manageable with their DataLocker Safe Console. So this thing is so encrypted, it has a 256-bit AES hardware module built in. Basically, different parts of the government here in the United States use this hard drive to secure their data, as well as different military branches. I will put all the details in the description below. Please follow the channel and subscribe. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.